Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar bulls continue to coast around the 67-cent handle and at present for the last 5 consecutive days still remains focused on the top side of the range around 67.45 to 67.65.75, seen as a supply zone. In light of the current trading pattern of the last 4 candles breaking down, a move under 66.90 would expose a region of 66.60, seen as a crucial level, and completely negate this bullish divergence. If so, then I am looking for a further test towards this level, and if broken, exposes the region of 64 cents. Overnight, the market was a little bit light in terms of trading, as the market was closed in observance for President's Day, or as the market does celebrate George Washington. It is assessed, though, that we are getting extremely overheated when it comes to the ADX, as it is around 60 now, and also the fact is we are extremely oversold. I presently hold a view to a neutral stance from 108.20, even though we could go a little bit lower to 107.55. My concerns is the fact is that where the dollar index is trading just above 99 handle could see a rejection and therefore see a drop from September 2019 highs and also see a rebound in the euro 2-year low around 108.28. Nevertheless, from this level of 20, we could see a rebound back to 75 or 109.30. And also you can see here that the fact is we are coasting right across this support now, so do be on your guard if you're trading from a short side. The dollar yen handle still remains at 110 as a cap. I still believe the market is looking towards 110.30 and a move away from there if challenged, due to the fact is that we are breaking down technically and therefore should see a challenge towards 109.55 and eventually down to the objective of 108.55 and reassess from there. The pound was a little bit weaker overnight, but no real view in terms of strategy as of yet. But if we see a break of 129.90, this would give further scope to the downside to 129.30, around 129.30-35 area. Dollar CAD still remains negative, but not quite taking out the level that I'm hoping at 132.20. A close, or 20.30 should I say, a close beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target where I've highlighted here around 130.70.90. Looking at the gold, it's now challenging the level around 1,585. A break above there would give further exposure to the upside and look towards this region of 7-year highs around 1,600. I am still bullish as the technicals are strengthening to the upside, so let's see if the market can play out its bullish traction and further rises to come. Looking at oil, well, the market was a little bit subdued overnight due to the president's holiday, but nevertheless the resistance is still capping around 52.45.55. A break above there would give further scope to the upside and bring in my objective of 53.80.90 where I reassess. Any pullback should find support around 51.70 or a base around 51.25. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.